Hi, this is Mortene from Tene and Lisi Studio. This is our Retro TV project that you can clone on Webflow. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the videos and how I built the interaction for the channel switching. So let's start. In order to see the videos, let's set the display of the black div blocks to none. Keep in mind that all the videos except the first video are in display mode none because this is part of our interaction. So if you want to see them while editing, set the display to block. In order to replace them, just click on the background video, go to Setting and replace the video. And that's it. You can replace the videos and publish your project. Now I will show you how I built the interactions. We have three interactions: the tooltip, on-off switch, and the channel switch. Let's start with the tooltip. The tooltip is a simple interaction with an action on hovering. While hovering on the turn div block, the tooltip is showing. While hovering out, the tooltip is disappearing. That's it. The second interaction is the on and off switch. In this interaction, we are beginning with initial state. In the initial state, the turn block is in display block, so when the TV is off, the user cannot switch the channels. The blacks are covering the screen, and the button is in gray color and aligned to the left, so it's in off position. When the animation starts, the turn block for the tooltip is set to display none, so the user now can click on the channels. The blacks are sliding to the top and to the bottom, and the button is moving from left to right, and also the color is shifting to peach. And that's it. Now the TV is on mode. The last interaction that I'm going to show you is the channel switch. For each channel, we have an interaction that's pretty much similar. All of these interactions begins with the same initial state. Video block 1 is set to display block, and all the other videos to display none. The slider, this is the thing that's moving between the channels, is on rotation of 3 degrees, and the background is set to 7%. The background is the white noise. I will show you later where to find this preference. So the animation begins with the white noise and the rotation of the slider. We will set the opacity of the background to 100% and the rotation to 3 degrees. And after that, we will set the background back to 7%, so it will give us grain effect for the video, and set the video block 1 to display block, and all the other videos to display none, the same as the initial states. You can see that we didn't change in these interactions the animation, but we still need to set the animation, so where we are in channel number 2, it still will move to channel number 1 with the video number 1. Now let's see what we have on channel number 2. It's the same initial state, and what is changing is the slider rotation is changing to 46 degrees, and also the display mode for the video blocks. Here video block 1 is in display none and video block 2 is in display block. This method also applied on channel number 3 and channel number 4. And that's it. Now let's go back. I will show you where I put the code for the grain effect. So you can open this code editor. You can see that we have a CSS for the background with a background image and a short animation of transition. And that's it. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me. You can comment here or send me a message. I will be glad to help you. So see you in our next project. Bye bye.